Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything's going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and today I'm gonna show how to do. I'm gonna spread it out all over the lid using the tip of my fingers because I feel like it blends better. And then today I'm gonna use this gorgeous glue and also a little bit concealer bacteria to highlight. Next, I'm gonna use this amazing golden brushes by Sigma Beauty. I'm gonna link down below for you guys the link of my favorite brush set with Sigma Beauty as well, in case you're interested. From here, you can apply your fake lashes and mascara, or you can use eyeshadow from the palette. And with an angled brush, I'm gonna apply your corner of my eyes, creating the shape of my cat effect. I'm gonna apply the shadow. And to blend the eyeliner, I'm gonna use this kind of burgundy shade, which is so blue. And this is how it finished. So I just have to apply my fake lashes and mascara. This blush so much. I have been using a lot lately, and it's very beautiful. I really love the glow. So I'm gonna apply using this polyester brush by Sigma my face a little more shadow. And for it, I'm gonna use a amazing product by the Balm Cosmetics, and this is the Balm Dessert. I really love this bronzer so much. And to finish up my skin, I'm gonna use this amazing mini highlighter by a little bit, and it looks very natural. I really love the color. It's everything beautiful about this highlighter. So I'm gonna apply the highest point in your lips because the eye is very neutral, so it matches with everything. I'm gonna use this gorgeous shade called Rougue by Florence. Old and sexy at the same time, but without looking exaggerated. Down below what you think about this makeup look, and also give it a thumbs up if you like this video. I really love to have you.
eyes and comment